Alexa, how is the weather today?
Right now in Seven Hills, it's 66 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather, with a high of 88 degrees and a low of 59 degrees.
Alexa, play iHeartRadio.
Getting the last iHeartRadio station you listened to, American Top 40.
That I've recorded and the
Alexa,
going through and the uncertainty.
let's play a game.
Alright, let's find you a game. Which would you like? Party games, kids games, or family games? Or you can ask for more options.
Kids games.
Sure, kids games. Would you like to give Chompers a try? Or you can ask for more options.
More options.
I've got one called the SpongeBob Challenge. It's rated 4.0 stars by over 6,200 people. Wanna try it?
Exit.
Ricky, just so you know, even though you don't get my call
Alexa,
on our birthday, our mutual birthday,
heads or tails?
You've got tails.
just know I'm thinking about calling you.
And I think of you December 24th.
Alexa,
Yeah, every year. So just know I'm thinking about you.
Phenomenal, man.
Alexa,
Like always.
All right, buddy.
what is the current weather in New York?
Currently, in New York it's 74 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 69 degrees.
Yourself, and to you.
Oh,